In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MSI monitor not turning on. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your monitor or laptop keyboard, and from here, we then want to completely reset our MSI BIOS or MSI CMOS. Now, to do that, the first thing that you want to do is to simply unplug all of your accessories, including your mouse, your charger, your printer, your keyboard, or anything that is plugged in onto your device. From there, just look for the power button. Now, depending on your laptop model, it's going to be on the corner of your keyboard right here. In my case, it's going to be on the corner of my keyboard. Now from here, you then want to hold click the power button for around 30 to 1 minute. And from there, this will completely reset out the CMOS or motherboard of our laptop. Now, if that didn't work, we then want to head over to the second step, which is resetting the driver issues or the graphic drivers for our Windows. Now, to do that, you just want to hold click this following button. You simply want to press them simultaneously. The first one is going to be Control, Windows, Shift, and finally B button. Now, while pressing all of this button simultaneously, this will completely reset the drivers for our graphics, fixing the black monitor or monitor not turning on issue. Now, if all of these solutions did not fix the problem, it's more likely that your problem is on the hardware itself and you need to see a technician to fix this. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.